Here's how to fix keyboard typing multiple letters after one key pressed. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then, open it and make sure View By in the top right corner is set to Large Icons. Now, click on Keyboard. Under the Speed tab, reduce the repeat delay to around the second bar, then click Apply and OK. If the issue is still there, go back to the keyboard settings and move the repeat delay all the way to the left. Also, make sure the repeat rate is set to fast. Then click Apply and OK. If that doesn't work, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Click the drop-down arrow next to Keyboards to find your keyboard. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Then, choose Search automatically for drivers. Check your keyboard again to see if the issue is fixed. If you're still having the problem, right-click your keyboard in Device Manager again and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Your keyboard may stop working temporarily. Restart your computer, and Windows should automatically reinstall the keyboard driver after restarting. Once your computer boots up, check your keyboard again. If you've tried everything and your keyboard is still typing multiple letters, open the Start menu and go to Settings. On the left-hand side, click System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now and follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Windows. This should help resolve any software-related keyboard issues you're experiencing. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.